Yeah, I just wanted to ask, so is there any way to target high ticket people who can actually buy our services?
Make them pay to contact you.
Okay, okay. So if I have to target, like, is
See,
there any way through creatives or through?
yeah, creative there definitely is, but I'm assuming you have already tried with creatives. You are not able to reach to them with the help of that. So that's why I'm
Yes.
telling you, right? So the
Uh-huh.
ultimate way is make them pay. What happens over here is, Agastya, I'll tell you. Okay,
Okay,
the Facebook works on feedback loop.
okay.
So let's say, okay,
Mm-hmm.
you are getting leads. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
these are
Mm-hmm.
trash. Okay,
Okay.
and you told
Uh-huh.
Facebook to get you more leads,
Mm-hmm.
so it will get you more trash leads,
Okay.
right? But if you have a feedback loop where you're getting leads, okay,
Uh-huh.
have a decision maker over here. Okay,
Uh-huh.
is it good or not? Okay, is it good or not? Okay,
Okay.
yes. Okay, is it good? Yes. Is it good? No. Is it good? Yes. Then it will go to Facebook. Okay, is it no? Then it will be not going to Facebook. Okay,
Okay.
then okay, Facebook is like, get you more good leads.
Got it.
So what you're trying to do is this one reinforces all kind of leads. This one only
Mm-hmm.
reinforces good leads.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Now it's not this one is not intentionally trying to get you bad leads. It is just
Uh-huh.
that it doesn't know what a good lead or bad lead looks like. Therefore, it
Okay.
reinforces its behavior of getting you all leads. And sometimes leads are good, sometimes leads are bad. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Does this make sense?
Yes. Yes. But how to
Now,
do all this?
yeah, no, that's what Hemant is also asking. Yeah. Now, the question is
Okay.
how to do so. Okay. One way to do it is, for example, you put blockers over there. Okay. First way to make sure you do that is by putting blockers on your landing page so that when someone is filling it, okay, they don't get to the thank you page, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's one. Second one is they do everything. They come to the they come to the thank you page also, but you don't trigger the conversion. Okay, what you do is you get that lead filled up in an Excel sheet.
Okay.
Inside that Excel sheet, only if you approve it, only then it will be sent to Facebook. How is all of this done? This is all done through Pably or Zapier or N8N.
Okay.
Okay, Pably
Uh,
will integrate with your landing page or your instant form. It will push all
uh-huh.
the entries
Okay.
to an Excel sheet.
Mm-hmm.
Inside that Excel sheet, you will be manually taking an action through a drop down of approving it or disapproving it.
Mm-hmm.
And then once it is approved, then through conversion API, it will be sent back to Facebook. Okay.
Got got it.
Now, if you want to get this done professionally by someone, contact Tracosity guys. They'll do it for you. Okay, and sell
Mm-hmm.
you Tracosity as well. But if you want to do it
Mm-hmm.
manually yourself, it is also doable. There are a lot of reading materials which are available on the internet, which through which it can be done.
Got it. Got it.
Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So, if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So, it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So, if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay. We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.